Harold,
Yes.
see who is at the door?
Free calls, free data, free apps. Come on, India.
Excuse me, sir. Can we come in?
Yes, please.
मुश्किल दिनों के दर्द, अनियमितता, खून की
Excuse me, sir. Good evening.
Yes, good evening.
We are from the Oxford College of Pharmacy.
Yeah.
We are here regarding to give some information regarding the digital campaign of India.
Yeah. Please take your seat.
Yeah.
Please
Thank
take
you
your
so
seat.
much.
Thank you so much, sir.
So actually, I was like thinking what time I'll go to bank tomorrow. I was thinking that someone will be there.
So you don't need to go to the bank at the moment when our digital India has progressed so much in the particular field of banking, where you can directly link your bank account to the mobile
Mobile.
app of your particular bank,
Thank
and you can do
Will that be more like easy step than using
100%,
checks?
100%,
Absolutely.
100%. You
Huh.
don't need to go to the bank and stand with the checks for long hours or
Yeah,
any duration.
it's so horrible standing in queues nowadays.
True, sir. That's 100% understandable.
So is this thing what is like it's given by bank or it's by
Yeah.
It's totally related to bank.
The app is created by the bank itself.
Oh,
It's
okay,
not a
okay.
third party app or something like that. You just need to register your bank account with a
That
particular banking app. And
Huh.
once you're done with it, you can do cashless transaction anywhere.
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 Okay, yeah. You can
Even
pay
from
for
your
electricity
house,
bills.
even from your office, anywhere you can do the on-the-go
Transactions.
transactions by using following features such as IMPS, MMID, UPI, and many other such as
Features are
features.
there.
Many other features.
Is this all this transactions secure?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
100%, sir. There's a OTP generated once you're going forward with any transactions. OTP stands for one-time password, where you can have a look where you'll get a password once you're doing any transactions at the go. So using that password, you can do any transactions.
Means that OTP will come to your registered number only. Nobody else can use that. That is
So
the-
like once I get OTP only my money will be transferred.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it is highly secure.
It's
That's
secure,
the-
yeah.
Yes.
So that
So that
I won't have any
no,
tension regarding
no.
there's no
the amount I
tension
can
regarding
transfer.
thefts or any hacking or any sort of that such that it's total hassle
Secure.
free and it's total secure. You don't need to worry anything about
So
it.
is there a limit or something for the amount what I can transfer?
Yeah, per
like,
day there's
what
a required amount where you can transfer. Sometimes you can transfer bulk too, and sometimes there's a required limit at
No,
which the
in
money
like
can
I'm
be
asking, is
transferred.
there a time limit like banking hours from
No, no,
8
no,
to
no,
8
it's
to
It's
9?
24 hours 7 service. Even on government holidays, if there is strike or all, this app will provide you all facilities. It
So
won't
even
stop
I can
working.
recharge my DTH from this.
Oh, sure. You don't need
So
to
I
go
should
to
not
the
go to recharge
shop or
Yeah.
any other vendor so that
Yeah.
you, like a third party vendor and go wait for him.
I think it's better I call my brother and ask
Sure,
him to
sure,
study.
please.
Because at the
Harold,
end of
come
the day,
here.
it saves your time also, sir.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Harold,
Yes.
yeah, please look at this new app. What
Yeah,
is-
there are various features such as IMPS, MMID, and
So it gives you a secure thing, and for that you can go for online shopping, so that this app will link to it. Means you can pay your bills, you can pay your all remaining bills and all. You throw in this app only. So no need to go and stand over for any queues and waste your time.
our digital India has progressed so much that you can even buy groceries and any
I've
other.
been seeing ads. I was thinking, how people
Yeah.
trust in
Yeah,
phones. How we
yeah.
do this thing?
No,
Yeah.
it's highly secure,
Yeah.
sir. It's highly secure.
And once the digital India has come in market, your future generations no need to worry anything about
Anything
it.
about it.
No,
That's
you're saying
motto of
that
this
hereafter
company.
this thing is not there.
Yeah, not to use up all of paperwork
So
nowadays.
there is no more peppers.
Yeah, no. There's
Highly-
everything generated into your e-passport.
I thought this thing has only been said in TVs.
No, it's become a
happened.
reality
It's
since the
reality.
digital India has moved on. You can have in the e-account, everything is stored from penny to penny. The money, saved by you and purchased by you, each and everything is being stored and accounted as per your spending limit or as such.
Even you don't need to go to bank for updating your all expenditures. It will be automatically updated.
So I can see all my
Passbook.
transactions here.
Yeah.
absolutely.
No, it will be linked to our account, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Oh, man, this is so good.
Yeah.
Like I have never thought this will be this easy. Like Just like so
on a
transfer
click of
is
a, on a click, that's it.
We can
Same.
transfer into multiple accounts, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
multiple.
Multiple accounts.
Once you're registered.
And what about other banks? No, if you have to send not from like if
Home
I'm
banks.
having a second
Yes.
bank.
Yeah,
Okay,
you
okay.
can send
Third party, you can send that
to
also.
any other bank
Like
account.
if you have an account in SBI, you can transfer to Bank of Baroda person also.
Huh.
That's the facility.
So I don't need to go to Bank of Baroda again.
That's all.
Oh.
Yeah.
What about the international funding and all that?
That can also be done through this
Okay.
online banking. So don't need to worry about that. And the thing is, it will save your time and it was secured also.
Yeah.
So no worries. So that's the thing we are here for, the awareness of this digital India. This will means help India for the development. So that for that purpose we are here from the
No,
Oxford
is there
Press.
any charges from bank for using these apps? Or
No, there are no such charges.
No such
There are no
charges.
such charges. It's
Okay.
total convenient, free,
Like
and
not like the cards what we
no,
thing,
it's total
charges,
free, totally free.
Totally.
Only you need to update your app.
That's
all.
it. Cashless transactions.
So how do I get this? I should have to just take my phone and get this app. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
You have to download this from Play Store. And you can go through the all features of that apps. Then you can do all your transactions wherever you want to pay or bills like electricity bills, DTH recharge, mobile recharge. You can do to this apps, mobile app.
So where do you say you guys are coming from?
We are from the Oxford College of Pharmacy.
So this is so kind of your college
Uh,
management for allowing me to do such.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
yeah, it's been a
It's a
pleasure.
pleasure to-
Yeah, it's actually it's a pleasure for us. For like knowing us all these
Thank
things.
you.
So we are here for.
I'm so like so much
awareness.
amused now in this late night you guys roaming around and giving information to public. It's so good. I must actually appreciate you for this.
Thank you.
And
so
thank you
much.
so
Thank
much.
you. And
Yeah.
we expect that you also
Yeah, even I
Digital
I'll ask my
campaign.
family
You know,
and
spread the word regarding
Yeah,
how
yeah.
our digital India
Digital India
is
is
progressing
progressing.
in the
yeah,
field.
sure.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
Thank you so
yeah,
much.
yeah,
Thank you so much
It's a
for giving us
pleasure. It's a
5 minutes.
pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.